Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Civi 4 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED display, 6.55 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1236 by 2750 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 90.4% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+ support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 25mm OIS wide-angle camera, along with 50 megapixel 50mm telephoto camera, and with 12 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide angle camera with dual LED flash. For selfies, it has dual camera setup on the front that includes 32 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 32 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, video recording. Maximum 4K at 24, 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3 GHz single-core Cortex-X4 plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720 plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720 plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 157.2 by 72.8 by 7.5 or 7.8 mm, and it weighs around 177.6 or 179.3 or 180.9 grams. The colors: option wild green, soft mist pink, breeze blue, starry black, and limited editions white, pink, blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4700 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1, USB Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control, and with NFC. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 2,999 Chinese yuan, and around $417 and 115,999 Pakistani rupees, and 34,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,299 Chinese yuan, and around $458 and 127,999 Pakistani rupees, and 38,999 Indian rupees. While the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 3,599 Chinese yuan, and around $500, and 138,999 Pakistani rupees, and 41,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.